Good evening everyone. Since our analysis went exactly like we planned in the last week, I decided to give my inputs this week again. For the past 5 trading days, Nifty has been in the range set by the budget day announcements. And we traded this range even last week's expiry and we made 1% comfortably. What are we gonna do this week? This week, I feel that there is a very good bullish momentum that is coming into the markets. So if we draw a Fibonacci retracement from the recent top to the recent bottom, we can see that markets are trading in between the 0.6 to 0.5 range. And we are closing just above this resistance. So I believe if we have a flat opening tomorrow or a slight gap up, we can expect Nifty to go further up if taken out today's high. So the levels that we're gonna watch tomorrow according to the 1-day chart would be today's high will be the most important one, and downside I believe yesterday's low will be a very good range. So this is the range that we should look out for tomorrow, and if there is a gap down, then I am expecting a very sideways market. So we can comfortably sell these two and earn good money. But if you want to be safe, you can just go for a 1% trade by selling an OTM call above 17,900 and an OTM put anything that is below 17,650. But since there are chances that you can expect a directional move upwards tomorrow, what I will suggest is if there is a flat opening or gap up, you sell the 17,650 puts, wait for the markets to show you what it's trying to do. If it's moving further up by taking out today's high, then I would suggest you can move the puts up to the low of today, which is 17,744. So you can comfortably sell 17,700 puts or even 17,750 puts if you can tolerate the risk. And on the upside, the safest call that you can go for would be 18,100 and above. Why this level? Because even if the markets move as per our plan, that is a flat opening or a gap up, and it moves violently upwards also, you have about 200 points to the 18,100 calls. And since we'll be moving up the puts way down from 17,650 to 17,750s, we can comfortably expire in this range, which is my opinion, and this is how I'll be trading tomorrow. For those who want to be even safer, you can sell call options of 18,200 if it is a gap up. So these are the ways that we plan our trades for tomorrow. I have done all the analysis based on 1-day charts because we can see the trend very clearly over here. So let me explain what are the scenarios tomorrow. If we get a gap down over to any of these levels, which is the first scenario, then we can expect a sideways market between 17,900 and 17,650 levels. You see, you can sell OTM options which are 50 or 100 strikes away and keep moving in as per the market movements, which is scenario number 1, which is the gap down. If it is a flat or a gap up, which is scenario number 2, you wait to see how the market is moving. If it sustains above 17,900 levels, then you can easily short the put options as I have explained earlier in the video, like 17,650s to 17,750s and further up depending on the market movement, which will be a safer strategy than doing an iron condor tomorrow. The third scenario that can occur is if we get a huge gap up, which is about 100 points, 150 points, etc. That is around this range, which is from 1850 to 17,950. If we get a gap up in this range, that is scenario number 3. In that scenario, we might see a huge sell-off because everybody who has bought in this dip and in this dip and today morning also will end up in a good profit. So there is a chance that they may sell off and you can expect the markets to come down, in which case we can trade this range, which is 18,100, 18,200 above calls and 17,650, 17,750 puts from below. So you can do an and condor in such a case. And in any case, if you see the market reversing and taking out tomorrow's high or tomorrow's opening after a huge gap up, then you should safely remove the calls, because there are high chances of a short covering and you don't want to end up in the wrong side. That's all for today. I hope you like the content. Please do share, subscribe and like the video so that I get motivated to do more videos for you guys. I'll see you guys next week and we'll see how this week goes. Thank you.